Hey, what's shaking, everybody? Welcome back to another installment of Jay's Straight Up Reviews and More. All right, so if you remember a little while back, I did a pair of the Ion Tailgater Tough, which you're looking at right here. Ran two of those TWS against a white Party Box 120 Snowman edition. Now, I had some cutting out, some stuttering, some static going on with the Ions. And somebody had mentioned in the comments that they had had a similar issue when they had Bluetooth connected to something else. So I was getting like Bluetooth interference. So it got me thinking, it was several years ago. It seems like I had a speaker, only it was a single speaker that had a similar deal. If you had it paired up to your phone, Bluetooth, and you had something else also paired up to your phone, it would kind of cause some havoc with the speaker. Can't remember which one. I'm wanting to say it was an older Bugatti speaker, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, so we're going to do a part 2. We're just going to run the Ion Tailgater Tough TWS by themselves with nothing else connected to my phone via Bluetooth and see if we get any different results. So let's check it out. All right, so I've got them paired up TWS, which is true wireless stereo, for those of you that don't know. So we're going to run this. I'm going to pause it, start it up again, change some volume, change tracks, just to see if I can throw anything at it that'll make it start acting up again like it did before. So put your headphones on if you have them. This will be a binaural recording. Here we go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
All right, so there you go. That's the Ion Tailgater Tough Round 2 of the TWS test. So they didn't seem to have any problem. I ran them, as you heard. I changed tracks, I changed volume levels, I paused them several times and started them back up. They didn't really have any hiccups or issues. So I think that video I did previously where I had the Party Box 120 and the Ion Tailgater Tough both paired to my phone Bluetooth at the same time was causing an issue with the Ions. They probably have a lesser quality Bluetooth in these, but as you can hear on their own when they're running by themselves with no other devices connected, there were no issues. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below on this. These are still on sale for $69.99 at Costco if you have a Costco membership. So one is a good deal. If you want two, anything really, like if I'm sitting here, hopefully you could hear what I'm hearing. It definitely sounds better when you have two. I mean, it's like more layers to the sound because you've got a left and a right channel coming from different angles and different positions. So definitely worth the 69 bucks. Not a world beater speaker by any means, but for that price, for something to throw in your car, something to throw on your tailgater expeditions when you go to the ball game or something, this would definitely work on a budget. Be sure to like and subscribe, because if you haven't subscribed, we're running a special. It's free today. It'll cost you nothing, and I guarantee this channel is always worth every bit of nothing. We'll catch you guys at the next one. Sounds right, boy. That's a wrap.